Good morning once again, my dear students. Hopefully, you're in good condition today, and I hope that you were able to listen on my videos on YouTube. I have posted it in our GC, in our Team Mathematics 10. I hope you have time in watching those videos because I have also shared solutions in order for you to have to glean some very important concepts on how to solve those problems. Today, our goal is how to divide. We will compare long division and also synthetic. How does these two are very important in dividing polynomials. We know polynomials. It is an equation where there are a lot of them. Poly means many. So as long as there is a variable, as long as there is a number, then it is always a polynomial. Okay. So right now we will answer activity 3 on module number 6. Activity 3 on module number 6. Okay. So we have here divide and conquer. Answer the following using long division. At the bottom we have divide the following using synthetic. So I'll be presenting to you we will compare it long division and synthetic. Which among these two methods is very easy? What makes you excited? So right now we will take up this number one. We have x cubed. Uh, we will try to have it in a different form. Parang long method na tayo. So we have x cubed. Sa long method parang ano lang. Parang we are solving the same as we are on the board. Sorry po sa mga ating penmanship. Parang sobrang mahirap. By the way po, sa all your students, my students, if you want some food supplement for immune boost system, para ma-boss ang immune system. So I'm presenting you C24/7 from M Global. We have a lot of stocks here in our school. Once you purchase one box of M Global C24/7, you will be given 1 point for the school to buy the commuter van, no, that will be used for students and other activities for the school, especially for senior groups. You every box of C24/7 that is worth 1,030 capsules for 1,000, and if you buy that, you are donating 1 point for the school to buy a commuter van, and you also given uh, 10 pesos or 100 pesos if you want to have it donation for our alumni square and friends. So right now those are the very big project of the school, and we want you to be part of it. So if you want to be part of it, you can contact any teachers. You can buy our C24/7. Okay, so let's take now our time. So in this case, we have x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3 divided by x plus 3. Okay, so in this case, first is we have to divide the first term. We have x cubed divided by x. So the same as the principle is x, diba, 3 minus 1, and that will give you x squared, right? When you divide, you subtract the exponent. When you multiply, you add the exponent. So kay nag-divide man ta, so ang kaning first term x cubed, so divided by x would be x cubed minus 3. Kay kani understood man nga 1. So mahimong 2 na lang. So bring down, so the value here is x cubed, x squared, that's the quotient. So i-multiply nimo ang x squared o kanang x, that will be x cubed. Then this one times 3 would be 3x squared. Okay. Then Okay? So when we subtract, the principle for subtracting is we have to change the sign of the subtrahend. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So kani mo imong minuin, kani imong subtrahend. So kani kay positive man so may mo siyang negative sign niya after we change. Ay mo na tong red. This one would become negative. Ayaw niya. Kasi di siya ano. Kasi di pa to sa paint. So negative. So this will be cancelled out. And this is also be cancelled out. Okay, pareha sila nga 0. So bring down x na lang. Right? So bring down x na lang dito. So we have negative x divided by x. So may mga siyang negative 1 because the same as negative 1 divided by negative 1 will give you negative. So minus 1. Alright? So perfect pala to. So we have x negative 1 times x would give you negative x. Negative 1 times positive 3 will give you, bring down 3 pa lang dito. negative 1 times positive 3 will give you negative 3. Remember, when we subtract, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend. So this will become positive. Dikit natin. Change sign. So this will be cancelled out. So this will be 0. Okay. So to know that this is correct, so pwede nimo ni siya i-find the product when you convert it. Kasi the opposite for division is multiplication. The opposite for multiplication is division. So if we want to know if this is correct, so i-times na to ni. Like say 3 times x squared minus 1. So first kana that will give you x cubed, right? And x times negative 1 will give you negative x. Down, this will become positive 3x squared. Then 3 to the negative 1 will give you negative 3. Bottom. So we have x squared. Doon na lang kasi maliit. So we have x cubed. X cubed will retain kasi squared and x cubed cannot be added since they are different. They are not the same exponent. Then next one is kani pasunod lang 3x squared pasunod ang exponent. Then x kasi wala tayong common minus 3, which is the same on the given. So the answer of this is x minus 2. So right now, so kung mauna ang long method, then how are we going to find the product when we use synthetic division? Synthetic division is looking for the coefficient, and always remember, I forgot it, that I would like to remind now, when we divide, kailangan we have to know if the given is complete or incomplete. Like for example, letter B number 2. Kasi cube na siya, 2x cubed plus 5x. So walay 2. So kinahanglan mag-add kag 0. Probably next na to example mo na. So let us try if we can let us have this number 2 using synthetic division. Okay? Synthetic. So that would be, kasi kailangan natin i-complete. So that is 2x cubed. Cube man, so mag-add tag 0 x squared. Anyway, the concept will not matter since 0 naman na gyapon siya. So parang it will give us a guide na correct ang atong solution. Then we have to add 0 so that it will be complete, no? 3, 2, 1 actually, then 0. Then divided by x minus 2. Next is, we will find the divisor. So, kani, kahit negative man eh, so 2 na na. So, put na tong 2 diha. Then, we put the coefficient. We have 2. Then, we have 0, 0. Then, we have 5. And we have negative 7. These are the coefficient actually. Dire, kung positive dire, so this will become negative. Kung negative dire, this will become positive. Okay? So, yan ang form. So, first step is bring down 2. After that, you multiply 2 and 2, that will give you 4. Then, you add 0 plus 4 will give you 4, right? Then, 4 times 2 will give you 8. Then, we have 8 plus 5 is 13. And 2 times 13 is 26. So, this is 20. No. 26 minus 7 is 19. So, this is 19. So, kanang 19, so wala na yung number. So, 19 is a remainder. So, answer. What is the answer? How to find the answer? Very easy. Since we have cube here, so automatically, kaninga 2 would become x squared. Ang yang x. Kasi minus 1 diya sa original. So, kani, minus 1 dari. So, 2 na siya mag-start. Sunod, kay positive man eh. So, positive plus 4x. Remember nga, magsunod siya. 2, 1, then kaning 13, constant na na. Kaya 0 naman na x. Then, plus remainder 19. Okay, this is the answer. Dili lang siya perfect nga pagkakuan. Okay? So, that's how to make the synthetic division. Actually, ang pinakasayan is synthetic eh. Kasi kaya ani mag-change the sign pa ka, subtrahend, mag-divide pa ka. But this one, pinakadali. So, what about if ato daw ning i-clear daw? I want to show it to you that synthetic anong division should have the same answer. So, kani ato ni serve daw, ato ni ansiran synthetic division. So, that would be negative 3. Since positive man na, so we have ang coefficient sa x cubed is 1. Coefficient sa x squared is 2. Then we have negative x. Since this is complete, then negative 3. Paano? Positive 1. Kani? We have positive I 3. Diba? Then negative 1 and negative 3. Bring down 1. That's the first step. So negative 3 times 1 will give you negative 3. So this become 0. Look at that. Diba? Nag-0 tayo dito. So 0 times 3 will give you 0. 0. So 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3 will give you positive 3. And that will become 0. So answer? Answer is, ang exponent should be minus 1. So cube man eh, squared na na. So x squared squared. Tapos 0 man na, so automatic 1 na lang. Kasi 1, 2, 1, 1 na, 0. So this is the answer. So, di ba? They are the same. So that's how important is synthetic division. They are very simple. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you learn on it. God bless us all. And always keep yourself safe. And always pray for the healing of our land.